find how to do it anywhere. And then I finally emailed the TA, but it was like after I already took the quiz too many times, so I couldn't fix it afterwards. Yeah. And I was kind of upset because I was like, okay, well, we didn't talk about how to do that for, like, if we don't know, if sigma's unknown, we didn't talk about how to do that at all. So how would I know that it's the exact same way as the way we did it before? So I was kind of irritated about that, but, because they didn't tell us and they didn't cover it. And it was actually in our homework, like they asked us to do that, but then when I watched the tutorial video, he didn't discuss it at all. So, and it seemed like some of the answers that he was giving didn't really line up with some of the questions that we had in the homework. So I thought, okay, well, maybe they just took this was supposed to come out of the homework and we just, nobody fixed it and it's just on here, but we don't really need to know it. But it turns out, surprise, we didn't need to know it.
Yeah, I bombed both.
I was kind of irritated about that.
Yeah, I did good on quiz 10, and then I did horrible on 11. It was a nightmare. I was like, what the heck is going on?
Mm-hmm.
And, I thought I had it down too, because I was like, okay, I got this, and then I only got like 5 of the questions right. It was ridiculous.
Yeah, I just feel like the homework is not enough preparation for what the quizzes actually ask.
Right. Like the quizzes are asking different questions from what we are learning, I feel like.
Yes.
Or it's not necessarily that it's asking different questions, but it is asking different. It's just asking a different way.
It's worded differently. That's for sure.
Right. So anyway.
Donna, did you ever get the answer to your question last week?
Donna, you're on mute.
I'm sorry. I'm plopping this. I was overthinking it, and it was just, I was trying to do formulas instead of using Excel. And when I went back and did the video, I go, oh, I really don't need to do that, do I? So I survived. It was pretty good. After all the stress of the prep for the test was easier. So I don't know what that meant.
Well, that's good. Okay. So I started this quiz last night, our group quiz, because I thought we were meeting, and I think I got like a C. So I have some questions today as we go through it.
Okay. Well, did you mark down which ones you missed and which ones you got right?
Absolutely. Yeah. So we can get started whenever.
I'm ready.
Yeah, I am.
This one's kind of easy. I don't want to jinx myself by saying that, but it's all Excel work. So, number 3, when you put all this one is not Excel work. Sorry.
Number 3, I got 2.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Is it right?
It is right.
Oh, cool. Just 2?
Hey, I actually got one right. Look at me.
It was quite odd. I checked it several times to make sure.
Okay.
Okay, and then I got 4 wrong. So if we could work that one out together. My answer was 0.040, and that was not correct.
Ooh, that's what I would have guessed too.
Mm-hmm.
I hate these p-value things.
Same here.
They are awful. That's what I was screwing up on the test before. I was just like, I have no idea.
Mm-hmm.
Like, why is it not right? Like, I just don't
understand.
The
test from last week, right?
Yeah.
It was awful.
Yeah.
Luckily, the quizzes aren't weighted that heavily because my grade only went down like 1 or 2%.
Yeah, mine didn't go down that much either. It kept me in where I was.
Just trying to stay where I'm at for the next 7 weeks.
All right. I don't know how else you would figure out question number 4, because I thought the probability of obtaining a test statistic is the definition of what the p-value is, right?
That's what I thought.
And so wouldn't Wouldn't that be the same?
Well, I don't know, let's go through it maybe and do it together.
Use this probability to determine the p-value for Jordan's hypothesis. Isn't the test statistic the t-value though?
That's what I thought.
Right?
Yeah, but they're saying the probability of obtaining a test statistic greater than Jordan's test statistic is this. So they're giving us a probability.
Uh-huh.
And they're asking us to use that to find the p-value. But I thought the definition of the p-value was the probability of obtaining a test statistic like greater than, or is it greater than, or whatever it is. It's pretty much the exact same thing as what they just gave us.
Huh.
I don't know how you would figure that out any other way.
So why are they giving us 0.0403? That's got to be some kind of a.
Right. I don't know what to do with that.
Do we add that to the probability? I mean,
are they asking for the level of significance? Are we supposed to say, oh, okay, well, we should use a level of significance of 0.05? I don't know what they're asking for. This is what I'm talking about too. Like, we didn't cover anything like this in this lesson.
right.
Why is this on the quiz?
Right, I agree. Do we want to come back to that one?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
I didn't even know what to put besides what you put, and you said that wasn't right. So
I suppose if that's the only one we get wrong, though, it's not a big deal, and then we can send it to the TA or the teacher and say,
right.
what's the deal?
Okay. Moving on.
Use the data file. Do you guys all have this open?
Yeah.
Data 1 to answer the next 6 questions. Form a paired sample t-test in SPSS. Be sure that the test does group 1 minus group 2. And use all of this. What is your test statistic?
Group 1 minus.
I got 3.737. Did I do it right?
I did not get that, but I can't remember why. And this one is written down as correct. I got 0.470.
0.470. Okay, I gotta figure out how that happened.
Could you repeat that, Kristen, one more time?
I got 0.470. Sorry, 407.
Okay, I'm about to say, because I got 0.7.
Wait.
Yeah, 0.407.
Okay. So what did I do wrong then? Let's figure this. I gotta go back and figure this out.
Well, I have the same thing as you now on my Excel sheet, so I'm trying to figure out how I got that answer yesterday. I can't remember back yesterday. Emily, how did you get 0.47407? Why can't I say that right?
Hold on. Sorry, I didn't hit it. I'm trying to figure out because then I did it differently in Excel. Now I got something different. So I'm trying to figure out what I did. So one moment. Let me figure it out and I'll let you know.
Where does the level of significance go in this one?
The level of significance is the same as the confidence level, right?
Okay, that's where I'm at then. 0. Oh, things stayed the same.
Oh, I got it now. I got 0.407 this time. I don't know why.
Oh gosh, I need to know that. So we
Okay,
can't do it again.
Literally,
And
all I
get
did was
everything but that number now.
I pasted the first column and then I pasted the second column and then I changed the confidence level to 0.99 and the null hypothesis to 0 and I hit enter and it did it differently this time. So I don't know.
No. Okay.
So it's still 0.407.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, number 6. What is the p-value? 0.344.
That's what I put yesterday.
And that was correct?
No, that is not correct.
It's not?
Mm-mm.
What the heck?
So my p-value currently says that it's 0.001.
Which is what I got earlier, but then now when I just did it again, I just changed
Right.
it because I thought if I got the t value wrong, then I surely got the p value wrong, and I just changed it from 0.001. But it's not saying that now. That's funny. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta make it to not equal to. Oh,
Yeah.
but see, that still didn't give me the same thing. It still gave me 0.668.
Oh.
Holy moly.
I'm gonna copy and paste again and see what I can.
So the confidence level is wait. Did I write? Okay.
Whoa. I did not like that. Hang on one second.
What's the percentage? Are we doing 95%?
It said to a confidence level of, where did I see that?
Oh,
A significant-
0.0199, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And 0.688 is incorrect.
That's what I got. I don't know if she just said what she put yesterday was not correct,
Well,
but it was something different.
don't we need to round it? So it'd be 0.689.
Right. 0.689. That's what I'm getting right now. Earlier I've gotten to the I'm worried though because I've gotten two different answers. Earlier I got 0.001, which is what she was getting just now. And then I got like 0.3 something also earlier. So I've gotten 3 different answers now and I've done it the same way all 3 times. So I don't know what the heck is going on. But she said that the 0.3, whatever it was not right. So it's probably this last one that I keep getting.
So I just pasted the information over again. It's
Mhm.
chapter 12, data any1, right?
Yeah.
And so my p-value went to 0.661. That's what you got, right?
For the p-value,
Yeah.
I have 0.6887. Do you have your confidence level at 0.99 and the type of test as not equal to,
Yeah.
and the null hypothesis as 0?
Correct.
I don't know why we keep getting different answers.
What are your numbers on variable 1? Let's start with 202.
Yeah, 202.09.
And it ends with this?
And ends
No.
with 38?
Nope.
Oh, no, sorry. I left some pasted
There
in.
you go. There's your 3.7, 6.8877.
Okay, so
I got that.
I got the 0.407.
Yes.
And then number 6, the p-value is 0.688.
89.
6.89. Sorry.
Flipped around. So 0.689.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And we fail to reject. Right?
Let me look.
P-value is
It's greater than
Yes, we
the,
fail. Yes,
the
we
level
fail.
of significance. Is that the reason?
Yeah, we're failing to reject because our p-value is greater than the level of significance.
Perfect.
So when it's
That's
greater.
what I thought. And that's correct. And then for number 8, I got that one wrong.
So it would be, we have sufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is, oh,
It's not C. That's all I know. That's the one that I put yesterday. And it was a guess.
we have insufficient evidence that the mean. Oh,
so we have to change it to greater than instead of not equal.
yeah, but our at the top it tells us to do it, to set it as not equal to. So
But this is saying, suppose your alternative hypothesis is instead.
oh, okay, I missed that part. Okay, I'm so glad that you pointed that out. Okay, so
Maybe
now I
that's
have
what I
to
did
change
wrong.
it. Yeah, now I have to
Okay.
change it in the program to greater than. Okay.
Where would we see the change though?
It's going to change in the p-value.
P-value.
So now the p-value went to 0.344, but
Mhm.
we don't have, we still would fail to reject the null. So we would have what, sufficient evidence to say that it's greater than?
If we are failing,
So yeah, when we fail, that means we have sufficient evidence. Wait, right? And now I'm confusing myself.
okay, let's see. I have this. I really do. Okay, when we reject it, we have sufficient. When we fail to reject, we have insufficient. So we are still
We are failing to reject.
reject. So we need to do insufficient. We have insufficient.
Insufficient evidence that the mean of the differences is greater than 0.
The B.
Is that what we're going with?
Okay.
I'm gonna paste this information over.
Okay. Now I got to do this other one. Copy and paste. Okay, we're done with A. Now we have Okay. Null hypothesis is insignificant level is still set the same. Not equal to. Okay. Okay, which is greater, N or DF? Well, N is always going to be greater than DF, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the p-value? I got 0.001.
Is it supposed to be set as greater than or less?
It says that at the top, the alternative hypothesis is not equal to 0, and the significance of alpha is 0.01. Oh, wait, 0.01. You know what? I think I did the one at the top wrong because I set it to 0.99, and I think it was just supposed to be 0.90 because 0.01 would be 0.99.
Yes.
Hold on, I'm going to go back and see if that changed anything. Oh, that's going to take time.
I had that written down somewhere, which one corresponded to 90, 95, and 99, but I can't find it.
I can't find the data file now.
Oh, here it is. Okay, 0.10 is 90%, 0.05 is 95%, and 0.01 is 99%.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I had the other one set to 99 when we did the one before, and it should have been 90. Is that what you guys had, or did you do 90?
I had it at 99, so I need to do it again also.
But it is 0.01, isn't it?
No, on this one it's 0.99, but the other one it was 0.10.
Let's double check. So in case we don't have to do that again. You're right. Yep. That makes a difference.
Okay, I'm gonna go check and see what it changes it to.
It would only change our p-value, right? Not our test statistic.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it only affects the p-value.
Okay, let me set that to 0.90. Okay, 0.9 not equal to, no, I have a test statistic of 0.444 now and a p-value of 0.661 or 662 after you round.
So
Wait a minute. When you did the test, did you say you got 5 right or 5 wrong?
I got 5 right, and it's 0.407. And I can't say that right. I'm sorry.
okay. So
my t-score stayed the same for number 5.
Oh, I'm like, why is this changing? I forgot to delete some data out, sorry.
Yeah, the bottom number. So my t-score stayed the same, but my p-value went to 0.344.
Yeah, my t-value stayed is 0.407. Okay, my p-value went to what does this say? 0.6887.
Oh boy.
Still. Let me see if it's just not registering the change.
This one is this one greater? This one's greater than, right? It's not equal to.
Wait, hold on.
That's number.
Getting so confused.
Okay, what is number 6? I'm getting the p-value now for number 6 of 0.689. I guess that's what we had before, right?
That's what we had before.
Yeah.
Okay, so that
It's
didn't
not
change.
equal to, right? That's what it needs to be.
Yes, not equal to.
So it basically stayed the same.
Yeah.
Could we go back? I mean, what number are we on? And
You can keep up with all of this?
Okay. So number 5 is
question
0.40.
3 is 2. That's
Yeah.
right. What's 4?
We don't know yet.
Oh, that's right.
We're
Okay.
going back to that.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so 5 is 0.407.
Yes.
Okay. And then 0.689 for number 6.
Yes.
And we fail to reject the hypothesis for number 7.
Yes.
So we have B for number 8.
Yes.
That's just terrific.
So nothing changed.
And then 9 is N.
Yes.
Okay.
And now I've got to replace all
Sorry,
these other.
I'm pasting information back over.
I have 0.001. Is that correct? That's not.
Yes, it is
That's
correct.
what I got. I think that's what I got earlier.
That's what I have, and it is correct.
That's what I got.
Great.
Paste. And this one is supposed to be set to 0.99, right? 0.99 and not equal to, and okay. I'm get it. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't get the same thing. Do I have leftover information again?
You probably didn't paste down far
Oh.
enough.
It didn't paste the formula, like when I cleared it out before I cleared the formula too. Okay, I fixed it. Now I have 0.001. SD.
11 is reject the null hypothesis.
Reject the null. So to try, and now it's greater than. It's like still reject the null because it's like even lower.
Yeah. So a decrease.
Right.
14, I got wrong. But it's not A.
Wait, aren't we on 13 now?
Sorry.
What decision do you make?
13
reject
is
the null?
reject the
The
null.
null. Okay. Based on your response, what conclusion do you make?
This is you, Donna.
Okay. Let's see. We reject. We have sufficient. We don't reject. We have insufficient.
Okay, so we're
We
rejecting
rejected. We have sufficient.
sufficient evidence that there is no mean difference between the two groups, or we have sufficient, well, it's not A, so it's got to be C. Because A is what I put last time.
And it was wrong. Okay, well, C it is.
Yeah. So we have sufficient evidence that there is a mean difference between the two groups.
Okay, I'm good with
They have a typo there. My group doesn't have an S.
that.
As we can see, p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. In general, which alternative hypothesis will give p-value the smallest? Oh, sorry, give the smallest p-value.
I would.
Greater than 0.006.
How would you know that?
You just change these things. It's greater than. Right?
Oh, is this still is this in general, or is this still referring to the is this part of the 8 questions?
I'm thinking it's referring to the 8.
Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you said it's greater than?
That's what I think. What number is this? 15? I
15.
thought that it is not D.
It's not D.
No.
Oh,
I thought it was not enough information. It depends on the problem. That's what I
I was
thought.
about to say because it says in general.
We have enough
Yeah.
information.
Okay. I'll go with you.
C, right?
Yes.
Yes. See.
Oh my goodness, this just keeps going on and on.
It does.
Determine a 95. It's a confidence interval. Okay, so
So do we put 9.95 in the confidence section?
yeah.
Mhm.
And
And then what is it asking for? Let me go back.
the point estimate for 95% confidence interval
Oh, okay.
is 11.95. It's the differences mean.
Okay. 11.955.
Yeah.
So that was for 16. 11.955.
Yes.
One more time.
11.955.
Okay, I'm getting an echo. Sorry. I got
955.
Great. Thank you.
"17 I got wrong, but then I saw that I didn't put a third number, so it might be right. I just
So this is one of the things that I asked about, and I was like, oh, how do you find the margin of error when you don't have and that's what I was like all upset about. And they were saying that's pretty much the same way as you do the other ones, where you have to do like the top number minus the bottom number and divide it by 2. Does that ring a bell with anybody?
to do right now. Oh boy, I got 5.977, but I don't know if that's correct. So if you do the top number minus the bottom number, you get 11.955, which is our point estimator thing.
That is not what I'm getting.
What are you getting?
I'm getting when I take 18.607 and minus 5.303, I'm getting 13.304.
Where are you getting those numbers from?
Down at the bottom where it says confidence interval.
Ah, that explains things then. I am using the wrong numbers.
So like if you take the top number of the confidence interval and minus the bottom number from the confidence interval and then divide that by 2. I got
6.6552.
I just got 6.652.
That's what I got also. I just can't say the word that I'm actually looking at. Like dyslexia.
No.
6.52.
Now, hopefully I understood her instructions correctly, and that's what you're actually supposed to do.
It sounds lovely.
That's what she was. I mean, maybe I should open the email again and make sure I'm not just. I shouldn't probably do this off of memory.
And then the last two are easy. It's just the upper and lower should be in your bell sheet.
So 17, I'm getting a lot of static suddenly. What's the margin of error of 17?
6.652.
Yeah, I just read the email again, and she said you take the upper bound and minus the lower bound and divide by 2. So I think that's what we're doing. Okay, so the lower bound was 5.303. And the upper bound, 18.07. Okay, so
Wait.
back to number 4.
5.303, right?
Yes,
And then 16.07,
18.607.
18.607. Okay.
Now, what to do about number 4?
I forgot about that one.
Greater than Jordan's test statistic. Good. I'm going to try 0.050. Like, like we have to figure out a significance level. Maybe that's what they're asking for. I don't know. I have no idea what they're asking for on there, honestly.
I'm going to let you guys submit it first. This is my last shot. Although I think I fixed all the other ones, so if one is wrong. So you think it's 0.50?
I'm just going to guess it. I mean, I don't know what else to put there.
Oh man, I don't either.
No, that was still wrong. Don't put 0.
Don't put that.
That isn't it. Let's see. So far, it looks. Everything else is right. We got a 95 if we don't get number 4.
Well, I don't know what else to put,
I
so
don't either. I'll have to email the TA about it.
yeah, tell her to reply on our thread so we can see, or to post something so we can see it. But
Okay.
I don't know what to put on 4.
I mean, the only other thing I can think of is that, like, it said at the beginning of the test that we should do, like, open the P probability applet or something. Maybe it has something to do with that.
Yeah, but what numbers would we put in there?
Let me think about it. Let's see. Oh, I can't go back into the test.
Yeah, I'm going to look at it, see if I can't put that other probability in there and see if it gets us a greater area. Because it's a positive. Let's see here. 0.40. And we have greater than to get. Wait, so like for that, we would do the area, right? For the probability, correct?
I guess. Sounds good to me.
I got 0.357. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me double check. Okay, just kidding. Let me double check. Holy cow. Zero 0.0403. Okay, just kidding. I have 4.4852.
4.4.
0 is pretty close.
0.4 what?
0.4852. But it says to just go to 3
Yeah.
decimal points. So 4.485.
Did you submit it? Is it correct?
I don't know yet. I'm going to put it in.
I'm just gonna do it. If I get one wrong, I don't care. We'll see.
Yeah, here we go.
Nope, that's not right.
Oh, dang
I don't
it.
care. Okay, let's ask for help and ask what's going on with that one.
Yeah, because I'm not sure what else we would have done.
Yeah.
It's like, if it's a probability, why wouldn't you use the probability applet to get the probability? Like, that makes no sense to me.
Right. Or if the definition of p-value is the probability that it will be greater than or less than, and
Right?
it's telling us this is the probability that it's greater than or less than, why wouldn't that be the p-value?
I just
I don't
don't understand.
understand. Oh, well. I'll email about it.
That's great. It's still, we're in the 90s. It's good.
I know, 95, can't complain too much, but
Right.
I just feel like, oh no, that's going to show up on the test, and
We're
I'm
not
not
gonna
yeah, we're
do
not
it.
gonna know what it is. Yeah.
those count so much more on the test. So, all right, everybody, it's late. I'm going to bed.
You guys are good to meet
Thank you so
tomorrow.
much.
Same time?
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
I know, tomorrow.
I know. Our week is so weird now. We're a day off.
That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, but I
All
really appreciate everybody meeting tonight.
See you
instead.
tomorrow.
All right.
Really well,
See
actually. That was
see you
nice.
guys tomorrow. I'll go post this.
Bye-bye.
Bye.